So in the world of hot pressure washers, you need this screen, right? So this makes sure no debris or any of that stuff gets into your hot pressure washing system. You put it in there, and then it's good. You can put your fittings on there, barb fittings, all the good stuff. Now we go with thread tape. We like a sealed system. And I'm gonna need both bar wrenches, the big one and this one, so I can get a nice, solid connection. This took so long to get this figured out. You don't understand. I still got a little bit more to do for my tank. See how tight that is? That's what you want. Seal system, man. We'll update the rest. This is what I mean by the big one, long, and the small one, so you can go opposite directions and you make sure that's tight. So, progress. All right, now put that hose on there. Oh. Tight how I like it. Real tight. Hose is on there. Hose clamp. Nice angle. Secure. Tight, you don't break nothing. You want nice and tight. Cool, you see how it's coming together? Good. Now, finishing touches. Put this water hose and you're good. You're good to go. Next, quick connect. Boom. Water hose right on this side. That's what you need for a quick connect. And we got our shut off. Water on, water off. Empty the system out and then disconnect. That's how we do it. Alright, now when you come with your water hose, special, female to female. Alright. So the reason why I like it like this is because now I can get my quick connect shut off right here at the top. So when I'm doing jobs, I don't got to reach around to the other side. I can shut my water off, shut my water on,